Most people get this wrong. They think store cards are just traps for overspending, but the Macy's store card can actually be a useful tool for frequent shoppers if used responsibly. Here's how it works. The Macy's store card, also called the Macy's credit card, allows you to make purchases in store and online while offering rewards and special financing options. One of the biggest perks is the ability to earn Macy's Star Rewards, which include bonus points on purchases, access to special offers, and birthday surprises. Plus, cardholders often get early access to sales and exclusive discounts. One important feature is special financing. If you make a large purchase, you can often take advantage of deferred interest or promotional financing plans, but you need to pay attention. Missing a payment can trigger interest retroactively, so discipline is key. Tips to make the most of the Macy's store card. 1. Use the card only for Macy's purchases to maximize rewards and promotions. 2. Always pay your balance in full to avoid high-interest charges. 3. Take advantage of exclusive sales, like friends and family events, for significant savings. Who should consider this card? Frequent Macy's shoppers who want to earn rewards, access exclusive deals, and manage large purchases through promotional financing. In conclusion, the Macy's store card is not just a shopping tool, it's a way to earn rewards and access perks if you use it wisely. If this review helped, subscribe for more credit card insights, tips, and reviews. Shop smart, pay on time, and make your Macy's experience more rewarding.